Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at RSS Infrastructure's latest project, a meticulous bridge inspection in Bristol. The original stone-built Avon Bridge was completed in 1839 by Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Historic England designated it as a Grade 1 listed building in 1990. The adjacent truss girder rail bridge was added later and is the one being inspected by qualified engineers. Our primary challenge is access to the structure. Our solution is to use rope access. Meet our experts, rope access trained, certified bridge inspectors supported by a rescue boat team ensuring utmost safety. Each span of the bridge is a new challenge. Every bolt, rust spot, defect or deterioration is meticulously documented. We speak to Paul Morse from RSS Infrastructure about the project.
Well, for a job like this, working over water is the biggest safety concern, so we had to carry out 2 site walks prior to this job commencing, essentially to establish a rigging plan and a rescue plan. After that then, safety considerations such as simple things such as life vests, all the way through to the safety boat that we have on standby.
From inspection to action, every detail is recorded. James, one of the engineers on the project, tells us about the inspection process.
So today, with this metallic bridge, we're looking for things like corrosion, missing bolts, any loss of section where the corrosion has completely gone through the section. So take pictures of that, record it on site notes, and then from those we create a report which documents everything we found, but also we can then give recommendations to the asset owner of what defects need fixing and how quickly, and possibly how to fix them as well.
Approximately every 6 years, we work with our clients to inspect bridges like this safely. For your rope access needs, trust the expertise of RSS Infrastructure.